Hello friends, it's me, Rabbit. Let's learn to create me first and then I will tell you a fun fact about myself. Hey there, buddies. Guess who's here? Yep, it's me, the rabbit. Do you know I can zoom so fast it looks like I have vanished into thin air? And these big, long, wiggly ears of mine, they are like super antennas. I can get sound from far, far away. And oh, here's my coolest trick. I don't just hop forward, I can hop backward too. Surprised! Told you I'm full of funny secrets. If you like my video, please click on the subscribe button. Bye bye.